Hello guys, welcome back to Good Shower Tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix. In this video we're going to talk about how to fix crashing issue and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the solution, and if you are for the first time to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. So let's move this workarounds. Have to navigate to library. Right now, as you can see, I'm not having the game, so you don't have to get confused with the method I'm showing here. So I'll be showing with an example for the crap game. Okay, so first thing what you have to do is you just have to verify the integrity of game file. That is the step which you have to try out, and to do this you just have to click on the crap game over here. For example, you have to click on the Warhammer 3 on your PC and right click, and you just have to go to properties. From here you just have to go to local files. There is an option called verify integrity of game file. Just click on this one. So this is gonna take a little bit of time, which means it will be downloading the corrupted files and they'll be checking if any files are missing, so they'll be fixing it up. So this is what you have to do as the first step. Also followed by this one, also you have to make sure that you have been set into this one, which is called full screen. So you just have to go to general. Over here, as you can see, under the launch option, you have to set this one into full screen. So second step is all about you have to set the launch option into full screen. So to do this, I'll be giving the command over here. So I'll be writing full screen. Okay, so I'll be writing full screen. Okay, once this is done, I just have to go back and I have to check whether the command is given or not. So this is the second step. Even after trying this, if it's not working, then we just have to talk to the next one. So next one is all about you have to do from here itself on the Steam. What you have to do is you just have to right click and go to properties once again on your Warhammer and go to local files. Now from here there is an option called browse option, which will take you to where the game is installed. So you just have to navigate to this one. Over here, as you can see, right now the game is installed on program file, Steam, Steam apps, common, and the game name. Here it is crap game. Don't get confused. On your PC it will be Total Warhammer 3. Now from here what you have to do is just have to select the application, which one that you have saved. For example, you might have saved which one, so you have to select the .exe. You have to select the respective one. So as you can see, we are having the game here. So you have to right click and I have to go to properties. From here I just have to go over here on the compatibility, and as you can see there is an option called disable full screen optimization, so I have to disable this. So guys, these are the workarounds which you have to try out when you're having an issue with on your game, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification.